King 2, 2 King 4, verbal domestic, Country Club, apartments 15433, Country Club Drive.
2 King 2. 2 King 1.
To the apartment above and a female screaming, no mention of weapons.
Copy.
King 2, 2 King 1, getting an additional call. RPNs hear slamming doors and yelling. It sounds like 2 males and a female.
41, I'll go to that.
Appreciate. 2 King 2 units responding to domestic. He's an Iraq war vet with PTSD. Have a pit bull service dog trained to keep him calm.
2 King 2, is this an involved party calling in?
Negative. I believe this is the person in calling about them.
Copy.
2 King 2, 2 King 1, 2 King 41. Caller folks says subjects were outside in the parking lot. Physical, male versus female.
King 2, copy.
They are associated with vehicles, a gray and silver Toyota Camry and a large gray pickup. Unknown if they're leaving.
2 King 1, arriving.
2 King 1, the male half running through the parking lot towards the entrance.
King 2 arriving also.
2 King 2.
41 arriving.
2 King 41 on scene. Unit, white male, late 20s, 5'10", slight growth on face. No further information.
2 King 1, I'll be out, subject.
2 King 1 out with the subject.
Cannon 5, I'm clear.
Sheriff, expect.
2 King 41, I'll be doing an area check for the subject.
Racing.
King 2 to 41, he should be shorts and flip-flops, short brown hair, no facial hair. Copy. 41 to 1, can you determine whether or not he's got any weapons on him? And 41 to 1, if you could get a name, that would be great also. 2 King 41, I think I got him.
2 King 41.
King 2 to 41, where you at? I'll head your way.
King 41, your location?
2 King 41, I'm right in front of the entrance to the swimming pool. 41 to 1, are we looking for white male or black male?
Described as a white male.
Copy, I have a black male here in shorts and flip-flops. Let me check with the witnesses again real quick. Disregard, this isn't the guy.
Receive, not the subject.
2 King 1.
2 King 1.
2 King 1, check on 2.
If I'm 2, Mill Creek unit, 2 King 1, Emery.
2 King 1, Crew 4, he's not with, go ahead.
When I show it 30,000 for DV protection order violation, it's like Pierce County extradition only, Tacoma. I do show 2 orders. Both have been served at a PD Seattle, active DOC at a Bellingham. He is a convicted felon for harassment, for threats to kill. Driver says they're out of Seattle.
Copy. 2 King 4 to 2 King 41, do you want me to head back your guys' way? I don't know if you guys are going to call for K-9 or anything to track. 41, yeah, if you want to come back, I'll see if we can get a K-9 out here with a felony. We might be looking at felony order violation at this point.
Lincoln 41 to King 41, I can send over K-9 5 if you'd like.
King 41, that would be awesome. I would seriously appreciate that, thank you. 2 King 2 to King 41. Go ahead. Female half is pretty worked up. We're working on, you might have PC for assault too. She's got some marks on her neck and said something about strangulation. We're working on calming her down. Copy.
Lincoln 41 to K-9 5, you're clear.
7 round.
Radio copy.
King 41 to 1 and 2. If you get a good location for a K-9 unit to start the track, that'd be great. King 2
2 to 41. It's going to be pretty much at our location was the last place he was seen, headed towards the entrance from right about where you parked your rig when you got here.
Copy. King 41 to 4.
King 4.
How far out are you?
Trillium and the Boulevard. Be there probably 3.
Copy. If you want to post up where he was last seen, I'll have you run with K-9 if you can.
Yeah, I'll just hold back a little bit so I don't cross over where he may have been.
Copy. 2 King 41, I have 2 county units that are setting up for containment. I got locations for you here in a second.
32.
I'm going to have 1 county unit at Mill Creek Road and Village Green Drive, and I'm going to have another one down by Mill Creek Road and 527.
32.
Is it further down? I don't want to cross over where he was last seen because it's going to contaminate it.
Yeah, go ahead, pull in, hang a left, and they'll be right around the corner. Or actually, you can hang a right and go around, come up behind them.
Okay. 2 King 4 on scene.
2 King 4.
Tail Lincoln 41 to King 41, do you need another unit for containment?
Yeah, we're kind of spread out. If you have one you can spare, that'd be great.
Yeah, I'm familiar with the area. Where would you like?
I'm thinking about 15th and Mill Creek Road. There's a wooded, the whole area south of the apartments right there is just a wooded section, and I'm afraid he's going to jump past Mill Creek Road.
Is that by Chopper Park by chance?
Negative, that's north of us. If you want to come straight down 164th across 527 and continue up the hill on your right hand side, there's going to be a road, this 15th. If you could kind of set up right there, that'd be great.
I'll be around.
Yeah, copy.
2 King 4 to K-9 5.
Go ahead, I'm in there.
When you get here, if you come to the entrance and hang a right and loop around, you can avoid crossing over there where he was last seen. I've confirmed there's been no foot traffic, officers or witnesses in the area where he's last seen, so hopefully it's uncontaminated.
Okay.
2 King 2 to Snowcomb.
Go ahead.
We have PC for assault 2 DB.
P2 for assault 2 DB.
County K-9 20 in the area. What's his description again, real quick?
Sheriff's Office Unit K-9 20. We got white male, late 20s, 5'10", slight growth on his face, wearing shorts and flip-flops.
Copy. K-9 20, K-9 5, I'll meet up with you and run with you if you want.
Okay. Right, 2 King 4, where are you?
From the entrance, just hang a right and loop around. I'll see if I can flag you down. We're kind of deep in the complex.
Okay. Is there a car associated? There's one sitting over there with the parking lights on.
No, his car is over by where we're at, but where he was last seen running through the parking lot is closer to the main entrance.
1 Charles 2, I'll be en route to Mill Creek Road and 527.
1 Charles 2 receiver.
Britt, he's been talked to.
2 King 41 to units on containment. Just a heads up, we got the golf courses north of us, so if the track leads that way, I'm probably going to end up having to shift all units north, so just a heads up.
Yeah, if he gets on the trail system there and heads towards 527, he'll end up on 15500 block of Mill Creek Boulevard.
1 Charles 3 on Snowcomb there, and I'm there now.
Confirm County 1 Charles 3.
Affirm.
Racer.
Can't find dogs out.
Chief, dog is out.
2 King 4, I'll be with K-9 5.
2 King 4, K-9 5.
2 King 2, same traffic.
Receive.
One Charles 2's arrived.
1 Charles 2 on scene.
2 King 4, working back towards the entrance of the apartment.
Receive.
On containment units, go ahead and use your siren to see if we can pin this guy down.
2 King 4, working east, southeast.
Receive.
Taking forward the golf club maintenance shack.
Receive.
And 2 King 4, we're on a trail system working south.
Receive.
West of the Copper Tree development.
Is there anybody at Village Grand, Mill Creek Road?
County 1, Boy 2, I am. 1 Boy 2, they may be headed your direction. Got it.
King 4, they're still working sort of southwest-ish, still to the west of the Copper Tree.
Yeah.
2 King 41, do I have anybody on Mill Creek Boulevard about, near the Mill apartment complex?
County 1 Charles 1 is in the Mill.
Copy. That wooded section backs up to the upper mill, the upper section by the P. Paul building.
Yeah, I'm kind of in the most southeast corner of the complex.
Kicking forward, still in the trail area behind Copper Tree, working back up the hill.
Roger.
Kicking forward, working back north to the Country Club.
Roger.
King 4 back out on Country Club across from the golf course main building.
Two.
King 4, we're now working the apartment buildings to the south end of the complex.
Roger.
King 41 to 1, did we find out anything about weapons?
King 1, she doesn't believe he has any weapons, but she can't be 100% certain. King 1 to 41, she also says he does have military escape and evasion training.
King 4, we're back by the maintenance sheds again, working to the south.
Roger.
41 to 4, is that in the pool area?
Well, southwest of the pool area. We're kind of back where we had it strong, I guess.
Copy.
2 King 4.
2 King 4.
Adam Mary 1154 residents were in front of.
Sorry, the tone cut you off. I copied Adam Mary 1154.
Adam Mary 1154. It should be the Masters.
Racing.
To 4, that comes back to a Tacoma address.
608, Country Club.
Radio copied 156, Country Club. Copy.
2 King 4 now, we're in Coppertree.
Receive.
Back on the trail is just east of the, west of the Masters and east of the maintenance shack.
Racing.
King 4 back at the maintenance shack.
Racing.
South of the pool.
Receive in the brush, south of the pool.
Lincoln 41 to K-9 5.
Go ahead.
Joe, the guys in King County are almost done. You feel he's still out here? I know it's a big area, we can get more assets up here and sector it off and start doing area searches with multiple K-9 teams.
Yeah, hold on a sec, we got something here.
Okay.
2 King 4, we're still in that heavy brush to the south of the pool.
Raising.
Announcements and no response.
Copy announcements, no response.
Should we check to see if Guardian 1's still up and about?
Back out on the trail, headed south from the maintenance shack.
Bridget.
King 4, we're at number 10, Copper Tree.
Bridget.
We're at number 7, Copper Tree now.
Bridget. King 41.
Yes, ma'am.
Guardian 1 should be coming up.
Outstanding, thank you.
King 4, back at number 10, Copper Tree.
Receive number 10 at Copper Tree.
King 4 to 2 King 41.
Go ahead.
We keep coming back to the security shack or maintenance shack across from the main golf course. We see if that has a exact address. I guess it might help Guardian 1 when they get here.
Address is going to be 15610 Country Club Drive.
Yeah, copy.
2 Lincoln 41 to K-9 5, how big's that shack with that handheld floor you have, show a heat source on it?
It's pretty big. It's got about three bays for vehicles and then an office area. So there's just a lot of cars over here as well, backed up to a large window.
King 41 to 2 King 1, we have his vehicle secured, correct?
Affirm.
2 King 1, 2 King 41, yeah, the vehicle's still here.
2 King 4 to 2 King 41.
Good.
I don't know if we have a phone number for Mill Creek Security, but the shack says security on the front of it, and I don't know, maybe if they can meet you and give you a key. I don't know if we end up wanting to search inside there or something.
Copy, I'll see what I got.
One of their little security cars was driving through here a few minutes ago. Yeah, maybe if they drive by and flag them down, see if they've got a key they give to somebody, we might, I don't know, we might end up back there. Copy. I also gave him the description of the guy as well.
2 King 41, did you want radio to call? I might have a number.
Affirm. If you can get a hold of them, tell them to meet me at Country Club Drive and Village Green Drive. That's where I am.
Greasy.
2 King 1, 2 King 41.
Go ahead.
I got a phone number for him. I tried to call, he didn't answer.
Copy. Was that done?
Also,
Go ahead.
spoke with an Army buddy of his that he called shortly after all this took place. Said he was running and jumping fences and he had no intention of being caught.
Can we ping his phone? Maybe it's an iPhone. We can do that application.
Checking for hold the air. We've got him down here in the brush somewhere. We hear him crashing around. He could be across the Oak Creek right there, so on the other side, but we're hearing noise down there, so it's probably him.
We can see like a phone or maybe a small flashlight or something in the woods.
Guardian 1.
Guardian 1.
Show me on your screen.
Receiving out to the scene.
2-1, we're working down the hill from the maintenance shack that you gave the address of, working in the brush.
Receive working down the hill from 15610 Country Club Drive.
Announcements made again, and again, no response. Can hear brush breaking.
You guys are heading westbound, right, into that wooded area where the waterfall is?
If he continues west, he's going to hook up with the trail system to Chopper Park. So if we could get somebody on Mill Creek Boulevard about the 15600 block.
Looking for, we're on that trail now.
Charles 3, I'm there now.
County Unit 1, Charles 3 on scene.
K-9 the unit that tried to call him on his cell phone. Call him again. I think that may have been what we've seen with his phone.
King 1, it's Unit Mill Creek Boulevard and 156. Trooper Siren, I think, if I'm not mistaken, we're pretty close to Chopper Park, but get a better bearing if I can hear some audio.
Copy.
King 4, I can definitely see the railing for Chopper Park, so we'll be between the trail that runs parallel to Chopper Park, or like it's a stream bed here.
Where is he?
Do you want the southern units to shift to the north and surround the Evergreen Division?
Affirm. If I could get the units down on Mill Creek Road and 527 to switch north up Mill Creek Boulevard, maybe one in the Aspen Division. It's going to be right past the park, and then one in the Juniper Division. It's going to be right past Aspen on the east side of the road.
2 Lincoln 41 will head over to the Juniper Division. Charleston will head to the other.
Where is he?
King 1 to both those units, there's a couple of different trailheads that pop out in both of those divisions, so keep an eye out for people coming out from between houses.
Are you aware of anything in the upper mill area?
Negative, no actual trailheads, but that whole wooded section right there does pop out, and he can pop that fence easy.
I have no fence line where I'm at, but I only have visual for about 100 yards or so here.
Copy. If there's another unit that can go into the upper mills, maybe the northeast corner by the T-Tom building.
King 4, we're back on the trail, headed, that would take us south to the fish ladder at Mill Creek Road.
Indeed. Where is he?
Cat 7, I'm almost 164 and Bothell-Everett Hwy. Curtis, you want to take that position in there at 164th and 527 by the fish ladder?
Yeah, I got it, about 20 seconds down.
Charles 2, I can head back to 164 and 527.
On Charles 2, receive.
I'm there now.
1 boy 2, I'm set up in the southwest corner of Copper Tree, unless there's a better spot.
County Unit 1 by 2, receive.
2 King 4, Guardian 1, pretty much almost over at our position. We're trying to flash them, or flashlights. I got you.
King 41 to Guardian 1, we're looking for one heat signature running away from the dog in the tractor. I'll let King 4 fill you in.
Copy them. K-9's 7, I'm at Mill Creek Road and Village Green Drive. Is that good or is that too far east?
K-9-7, that may be a little bit too far east. If you want to drop down to about the 1500 block, go west. It's the first intersecting road on Mill Creek Road.
I'm there. Guardian 1, if you get us down here, we heard some noise across the gulch from us. We think he's either over the creek, kind of to the northwestish, or somewhere there. We actually had some echolocating on him. 2 King 4 to the Guardian 1, that'd be the sort of the open ball fields that are east of 156 and Mill Creek Boulevard. 2 King 4 working clear back north on that trail.
King 4.
Can 6 him in the area.
K-9.
2 King 2 to 2 King 1. 2 King 2, do we have any units by 2 King 1 at the RP's address?
2 King 1, I'm still here.
Copy. Can you check and see if we can try calling the guy's phone number again? Maybe we can get a ring or something like that. If it's an iPhone, we can try and track it.
Stand by.
Yeah, K-9, we picked it back up. Other side of the Gulch now.
King 41 to radio. Do we have his phone number?
Negative, I don't have subject cell phone.
41 to 1. If you could give radio that phone number, we need to get working on a ping on that.
Copy, stand by. 224, we're now at the Y at the northeast end of Chopper Park in the trail.
Receive.
Cole, come up by the Chopper Park. Come up, I guess it'd be eastbound on Mill Creek Boulevard.
Okay. 62, that'll be about the 15500 block in Mill Creek Boulevard.
K-1 in center.
About there, or back by that last road.
K-1, I'm sending you the number.
I got it, thanks.
41 to 4. Did you take the left or right fork on that Y?
We're still at the Y, right at the northeast end of Chopper Park. Now we're working into Chopper Park, headed towards the trail to take us to 156 and Mill Creek Boulevard.
Yeah, 6 and about 156 in Mill Creek Boulevard right now.
Receive.
41, I have a county unit in that parking lot, correct?
Confirm, Copper Tree.
Negative, the Chopper Park parking lot is about the 15600 block of Mill Creek Boulevard.
1 Charles 3.
Charles 3, my mistake, I called you Boy 3. They're headed toward you.
Got it.
We're at the basketball court at Chopper Park here, so we have sort of line of sight at 156 and Boulevard.
Receive, basketball court.
41 to Cole. The development just north of you, Aspen, there's a bunch of different ways that he could pop up into there if you want to. That's just a circle if you want to kind of run around that track a little bit.
You talking about K-9-6?
Affirm.
Okay, yeah, I'll hold here 156 in Mill Creek Boulevard for now.
Speaking forward, still working around the ball field.
K-9-6, King 41. Okay, talk to you on tech 2 real quick.
Switching.
Speaking forward, coming out into the parking lot of Chopper Park, 156 and Boulevard. Speaking forward now, we're north on Mill Creek Boulevard.
Receive.
Which area is that? It's about 156 Mill Creek Boulevard. I think it leads to the golf courses over there.
If you follow the creek and then head up towards the golf course, so from Mill Creek Boulevard to the east or northeast, whichever.
Down Mill Creek Boulevard towards 527.
Receive.
Feel like at 41 to K-9-5, how's your dog doing?
A bit tired, but he's okay right now. If K-9-6 is mobile, he might be able to link up with us, and might be able to trade out here in a sec.
Yeah, 6 and K-5, you guys are walking right towards it.
Gotcha.
Feel like at 41 to 2 King 41, that's negative on the ping.
Copy. Thank you. King 41 to 4, you headed to toward the mill?
Yeah, we're sort of on the east side of the mill now, heading up into the complex.
One boy, do I switch positions? I'm on 527 in front of the Augusta.
Receive.
Speaking for the SAM building at the upper mill.
Receive.
Can 5, can 6. Good. Yeah, can you meet us up here in the Mills parking lot?
Affirmative. Do the cover officers need a break too? We can switch them out if you need to.
King 4, I'm fine. King 2, likewise.
King 41 to 4, are you still near the SM building?
Working south. We're south of the Q building now.
S6 cancel.
Good.
Your call, let me know. I'm almost up to him, but I can switch out. Yeah, I'm good with it. I'd like to see how we do, but whatever you want to do. Okay. If you're in a spot where you can't mount, just come over to the east side of the mill, contact us.
King 4, K-9, 6, we're all the way at the south end of the mill now.
K-9 7, or correction 6 is right here with you.
Yeah, K-9 6, go ahead. Meet me in the parking lot, switch out, or 7 doors closer.
K-9 6 cancel. Good. Your call, we're thinking about probably trying to work both sides of the ravine. If you could get over here, we could work it in tandem. We could split our search element up. Okay. Was it coming south at all? Because I need to get out this containment spot until somebody's here. Yeah, I think I'll just start and then we'll see where it develops from there. It's going to be kind of a challenging start point, I think. So if we get something going out of the creek, it might be coming south to you.
41 at K-9 7, I'm almost to you.
Got it.
Right behind you, Kurt. 41 to radio, if you could change my location to the 1500 block of Mill Creek Road.
Copy, and we're getting a suspicious circumstance at 156 22nd, lights going on and off inside the residence.
Send that to my screen, please.
Over.
Okay, 7 up. King 41.
Go ahead.
That fence railing around the corner there, is that a straight wall down, or is that something you could climb up and get out of?
You can climb up it. It's not easy, but you can climb up it. It's not a straight wall.
Alright, between you and the unit at Bothell-Everett, that's the only area in that turn that's not being watched. That's kind of a blind spot right now.
Copy. I can swing down a little bit west and on that corner and see if I can cover it a little bit better.
Yeah, I think.
K-9 6.
My dog's out. We're going to start working back to the park where the woods are and where there's possible crashing brush with that. Try and reacquire it or start over there.
K-9 6 receive.
Yeah, 6 guarding one. We're about 3 blocks due south of you. We're going to be heading back to the area you're at right now.
Back there, double check that area.
Information for units. 2 ago, caller at the mill heard 2 subjects running by, no description. On the greenbelt side of the north building.
Before that would have been up.
Over.
King 41 to Lincoln 41.
Go ahead.
Would it be possible for you to come take my containment spot? I need to check out this suspicious circumstances. It's right on the golf course, not far from where this whole thing started. Go ahead.
Mountlake Terrace is offering a unit if you need another.
Yeah, if they have one that they can spare, we can definitely need it, or we can definitely use a rover.
Receive.
2 Lincoln 2's en route to Mill Creek on a PA. Once he clears that, he can jump in over here somewhere.
Copy. 2 King 41, I'm going to be en route to that suspicious.
Receive.
41 at Mill Creek units, it's the Livingston residence. Apparently there's some lights going on and off in there.
Tom Toby en route. Can someone CAD me suspect description to my screen?
Tom 2, I will.
Yeah, so heading back in the park, this chopper park.
Receive.
41, I'm arriving.
2 King 41.
Yeah, 6 Scotty 1, just confirming you see us in the field right now.
Scotty 1, I'm looking at interesting house spot here. Give me a second, I'll try to get you guys in.
Copy that. We're holding right now.
You can see there in the ballpark. Keep going straight across that ballpark back under the tree line right up the side from where you're at.
Confirm moving eastbound like we are right now.
Quite a bit.
2 King 4 to 2 King 1. What's the first name again?
On the K-9, basically go straight from where you're at now, straight east through those woods.
Copy that. And about how far in? How many yards would you say?
25.
Okay, this is pretty nasty. We're probably going to try and get to we'll make a couple announcements. If we don't get a response, we're going to work a different way in, probably, if we can just keep an eye on it.
Before the creek.
Okay, 7 Bro, where are you going?
Made to work around.
Alright, well, we're going to move a little bit to the north, and we're going to come down the trail back towards that hot spot you're talking about.
Yeah, let me know when you're ready for me to go, Jim. You guys can, from where you were just at, I think you can walk right into them.
Alright, yeah, we'll give it a shot.
Right about there, if you can walk into the wood line from there, that'll get you there. Mark is basically going straight in the right direction right now. 30 yards away. Keep going straight from where you're at.
41 clear boy and back in the assault.
Receive.
Mark's moving right towards it. Probably 15 yards away now. Right off to the left of your dog. Now your dog's going right to it. On it.
Contacting 1, right on.
Contacting 1.
Yeah, take you on your custody right now. Hold the air for a minute.
Receive.
King 2, 1 to 10.
Receive 1 to 10.
Do you want a car at Chopper Park? And do we need an aid car?
Yeah, we'll need an 8 cars contact, and we're going to try and find a way out. Might be easier to go back to east. Sorry, looks like Chopper Park's going to be easier. Point of contact.
Radio copy.
Hey, copy, have an aid car respond to Chopper Park. I'll respond there also.
Receive.
King 41, can containment break?
Affirm.
King 41 to all units, my sincere thanks for your patience and efforts.
Lincoln 26, Lincoln 41.
Yeah, go ahead and respond for some photos.
Copy that.
41, I'll be responding to Chopper Park.
Receive.